This is Eyewitness News Breaking News.
Abdi Gallang papanggi deui jengkuring dina acara Munchen TV. Ieu urang rek mengedarkan berita olahraga ngeunaan kemenangan Bayern Munchen atas Dortmund.
Ribery. Vidal again involved. So much of Bayern's play goes through here. And here is Arjen Robben. First chance to really get onto that left foot. Neatly done by Thiago. Bit of space for Lahm. And an opportunity here and a fine goal from Ribery. Well, he turned 34 yesterday, but he continues to roll back the years. And what a perfect start to Der Klassiker by Bayern Munchen.
Well, it starts on the right-hand side. You know, this is sort of a signature move that we can see from Robben. Pass and move, and then Philipp Lahm gets on the ball again and whizzes it in. It's a great ball, but that first touch finish from Frank Ribery. You said he's just turned 34, but he's never lost anything of his touch. Great finish, 1-0 Bayern.
Kept his eye on it, an unerring finish beyond Roman Burki. And they use the width really well, Thomas.
Well, it certainly did. As I said, the overlap here from...
He's already scored 5 times against his old club in Bayern colours. It's Lewandowski! Perfect! Bayern are flying in Der Klassiker. And Robert Lewandowski once again punishes his old club. It's Bayern 2, Borussia Dortmund 0.
Well, we said before the game he does need extra motivation. You know, he wants to put one over his old club. He wants to get ahead of Aubameyang. And what a great opportunity. He's 20 yards away from goal. You know, sees where Burki is, gets the ball, not exactly over the ball, but it's enough to score, and it's 2-0 Bayern.
It's not the first time he's done it this season. He's becoming quite the free kick specialist. But Dembele seems to duck underneath the ball.
As much as we talk about Dembele great going forward, but this time he duck under it, and he's the one to play for it.
Delights for Bayern at all levels.
He is, yeah. He's only so young, but he's still, you know, he's so important for Thomas Tuchel. Him and Aubameyang, who gets in the ball, these two could make the difference.
Aubameyang is onside, looking for Paslak. Did well to keep it in. That's an awful clearance. Oh, what a goal! Rafael Guerreiro with a thunderbolt. And it is game on at the Allianz Arena. Where did that come from?
Well, you may ask why we call it a Klassiker, but when you see a goal like this and a game like this, I mean, unbelievable. See what Paslak does here, does well to keep it in play. Really bad clearance from Arturo Vidal. But what about this strike from Guerreiro? He can't save them. Fair play to him, and it's Dortmund back in the game.
Yes, it's a dreadful clearance, but my goodness, wasn't it punished in the most brutal fashion? Wonderful technique.
And it was even out.
International is Ribery. And now Robben, and look at the space he's got. Arjen Robben. He's still going. He's still going. Time and time again, Arjen Robben produces the magic. And Bayern Munchen take another step towards an unprecedented 5th consecutive Bundesliga title. Bayern 3, Dortmund 1.
I mean, how often have we seen this? You see a great ball in from Frank Ribery, and Arjen Robben's got acres of space, and I'd say all the Dortmund players know exactly what he's doing, but no one can stop him. He puts it in the far corner. Roman Burki, no chance whatsoever. It's his pace, it's the accuracy, and he's done it again.
Down the years, he's asked the same question. Can you stop me getting onto my left foot? Can you stop me curling the ball beyond the keeper? The answer on this occasion, as
so much space, but Dortmund always, when they get the ball, they play long. But now it's the other end.
And now it's Lewandowski's turn. It's Lewandowski. Goes down, and the referee says penalty. Robert Lewandowski, too hot to handle. And it is a yellow card for Burki. The referee deeming that Burki made a genuine attempt to get to the ball. There is contact, Thomas.
There is contact, absolutely. And I thought he'd finish it from there, put it to the side of Berkey, but no, he goes the other way. There's a touch there. Booking. I'm just wondering who's going to take the penalty now. Is it Robin or Lewandowski?
Aubameyang had a chance at one end to go out on his own at the top of the race for the Torjäger Canona trophy. Now Lewandowski can do just that. For number 26, he does. Robert Lewandowski strikes again against his old club. Goes top out on his own in the goal scorers charts, and Bayern are in total command of their Klassiker.
Dream night for this man, Robert Lewandowski. Cool finish, no chance for Berkey there. Now he goes above Aubameyang. Bayern 10 points clear at the table. What can you ask for more if you're a Bayern fan?
Tati abdi wilujeng anjing hatur nuhun santuy.